Virus numbers jumped in Virginia today. The health department reported more than 3,000 new cases. That's up about 500 from yesterday. Meanwhile, hospitalizations are starting to level out. Right now, more than 2,000 people are in the hospital, and more than 25% of them are in intensive care. Local hospitals warn large numbers of COVID-19 patients are still walking through their doors. This week, Sentara Healthcare launched a new way for the community to keep track of how many infected patients are filling their beds. Allison Bazzle shows us how to navigate the new dashboard.
Healthcare heroes are fighting Virginia's fourth COVID surge.
This surge is now the second largest peak that we've had.
The Virginia Hospital and Healthcare Association has posted daily COVID-19 patient totals across the state since the start of the pandemic. VHHA Vice President of Communications Julian Walker believes it's an invaluable public resource.
Peace of mind to people to just have a sense of the scope of the pandemic and particularly its impact on hospitals.
Now, Sentara Healthcare is giving the community a more localized insight.
Currently, the VHHA dashboard shows 1,878 hospitalized COVID patients. Sentara Healthcare's newly launched dashboard shows 324 COVID patients at Sentara hospitals across the state. 218 of those are in Sentara Hampton Roads hospitals.
The dashboard shows the number of COVID patients at each Sentara hospital. It also shows what percentage of hospitalized people are getting treatment for COVID-19. Sentara Princess Anne and Virginia Beach General have just over 20 patients with COVID right now. Norfolk General reports the most current COVID patients with 39. Sentara Lee has 36. Sentara Obacy and Albemarle Medical Center have the highest rates of COVID-19 patients. More than 20% of all patients in these two hospitals are there for COVID-19 treatment.
And with respect to our members like Sentara who are sharing this information, we applaud what they're doing.
Sentara officials say most of their COVID patients are unvaccinated or partially vaccinated. Walker says many hospital systems are on the same page.
Urge Virginians, especially those who are unvaccinated, to really make a plan, to think hard about why they're not vaccinated.
In Norfolk, Allison Bazzle, 13 News Now.
And here's that dashboard again. Sentara officials tell us they will update it Monday through Friday. It includes hospitals across Hampton Roads.